They came and repossessed my Raptor. I should have known. My nephew told me 46% APR is too high and that I couldn't afford it. I said I can do $18.50 a month. That's not even a high payment. I thought I could. But my Social Security had been coming in late. And I thought if I could just hide it behind my house for 3 or 4 more days till my Social Security check came, I could make the payment. No. They came and took it. They took my Raptor. No more money, cause I owe them 10 grand. Buying nothing without my truck.